Alright, for our presentations, first of all, I am going to introduce myself and my group members. My name is Aina Tasha and I am from group 6, but don't forget to my group members, which is Dia, our group leader, Damia, Safana, Hafiz and Asanabil. Next, I would like to share our product innovations, which is about coloring and digital audio Kindle. This Kindle is the most advanced handheld electronic device for reading books with color versions, which includes built-in speaker and headphone jack for listening to audiobooks or background music. I would like to pass my present to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Damia Farhana and I am from Group 6. I would like to present about our product objective and our market segmentation. For our product objective, we aim to offer an affordable products of high quality and a variety of designs to attract consumers. Next, who are our customers? Our product, which is the coloring and digital audio Kindle, segments the market by age and luxury. As an example, like students, those who love to read, and a high-income lifestyle segments. For students, this product is really excellent for their studies since it is very advanced in technology. To those who love to read like bookworms, they can help contribute in the environment by saving trees and using less paper by purchasing our product. Since the coloring and digital audio Kindle's price is competitive with other e-readers brands in the same category, it will allow the product to attract to a diverse group of customers such as a high-income lifestyle people.
Product strategy number 1 is product uniqueness. Color and audio is the main factors from our product. Our product also provide a handmade cotton case. Handmade cotton case has a classic design and a solid stitches. Number 2 is product sketches. Product sketches in front, we have a 7 display volume button and a lock button, speaker and lightning connector. In the back side, we have a Kindle words. Number 3, brand or logo. This is our logo, which is Digitaru Buku. Digitaru Buku in Japanese we call digital book. This is easy to consumer to recognize our product.
Assalamualaikum madam. Today I'm gonna present you about my slide. The topic is price. Our coloring and digital audio Kindle start selling price is RM350 ringgit. Our price objective is, the objective for coloring and digital audio Kindle is to maximize profit for the business and maximize price for the long-term profitability. The direct effect refers to whether the price is sufficient to cover the cost of production. The price affects profit indirectly by influencing how many units sells. The number of units sold affects profit through economy of scale. Price strategy. A penetrate price aims to gain deep penetration into the market to attract as many customers as possible. Coloring and digital audio Kindle need to charge the cheapest price possible to win price sensitive buyers. Coloring and digital audio Kindle can quickly gain market share, lower unit costs, and purposely price low to create barriers to entry.
The promotion is advertising strategies. Traditional media include print media, newspaper and magazines, electronic media, radio and televisions, audio media, banner billboard advertisements, sales promotion strategies, physical environment and special events, concert festival and trade shows, discount coupon, free item and contest. Social media strategies, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, media site like SoundCloud and Mixcloud. Next, place. Online platform. Shopee, Lazada, Malaysia are two of the most effective online shopping platforms for promoting our Kindle. Our Kindle is available in Malaysia. Bookstore. Face-to-face interaction allow customer to interact with the seller and feel more comfortable buying different types of Kindle in the store. A Kindle can be found at local bookstore such as Book Access and Book Kinokuniya.
Hi, my name is Safana Izzati and today I'm going to talk about action program. First and foremost, our strategy is to learn about customer needs and customer wants. Customer needs is something that they need to make the reading more easier and better, and customer wants is more advanced technology in our product. And then we set a goal to accomplish our product making and achieve our sales target for 6 months time in period. More than that, we have created an advertisement on social media. Why social media? It is because a lot of young people nowadays are using social media on their daily life. And then we make a 30% sales off for 100 early customer only. This method can help we attract more customer. And lastly, I'm going to point out my point of view of making this group assignment. First, this group assignment can help our creative thinking, such as we're sharing an idea, and it also improve our critical thinking. And then this assignment help us train our group relationship with each other. And lastly, it helps us to refine understanding through explanation and discussion. And that's all from my group and me. Thank you and have a great day.